Hey everyone, is your Whirlpool refrigerator not making ice? Yeah, that can be super frustrating. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the most common fixes so, you can get your ice maker working again. First, make sure the ice maker is actually turned on. I mean, it sounds obvious, but sometimes the switch or wire arm gets turned off by accident. Look inside the freezer and confirm the ice maker is in the on position. Next, check the water supply line behind the fridge. Yeah, make sure the valve is fully open and the line isn't kinked or bent. If water can't reach the ice maker, it simply won't produce ice. A clogged water filter is another common cause. If it's been more than about 6 months, go ahead and replace it. Low water flow can slow down or completely stop ice production. Now check your freezer temperature. It should be around 0 degrees Fahrenheit, that's minus 18 Celsius. If it's too warm, the ice maker won't cycle properly. Okay, next, take a quick look inside the ice tray. Sometimes cubes get stuck and block the mechanism. If you see a jam, gently remove the ice and clear the tray. If it's still not working, try resetting the refrigerator. Unplug the fridge for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Yeah, this often resets the ice maker system. If none of these fixes work, the water inlet valve or the ice maker assembly itself might be faulty. At that point, you may need a replacement part or professional repair. And that's it. Those are the fastest ways to fix a Whirlpool refrigerator that's not making ice. If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.